This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fiesta MK7 Headlight, updated. Start by parking on level ground and opening the bonnet, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Remove the plastic trim clips and the 10 bolts securing the headlight, keeping each fastener organized. Carefully tilt the assembly forward and unplug the headlight electrical connector, then remove the bulb if needed and set the unit aside safely. Let's focus on trim and bolts with a calm step-by-step approach. Start by removing plastic clips using a trim tool to avoid scuffs, then unscrew the visible 10 bolts holding the headlamp. Keep the bolts together and labeled so reinstalling is easier, and when you remove the last fastener, support the headlight with your other hand to prevent damage. Work slowly and keep parts organized for a smooth reassembly. Now we will handle the electrical connectors safely and confidently. Press the release tab on the headlight plug and pull it straight out to avoid bending the pins, then remove the bulb by turning it counterclockwise or releasing its clip. Inspect the connector and rubber seal for corrosion or wear and clean if necessary. Reinstall new bulbs or the replacement headlight by reconnecting the plug, ensuring a snug fit and proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.